Hello and welcome to our channel. Today I have brought 4 different hirings for freshers. So make sure you watch the full video so you can know everything in detail. And also if you want latest job updates quickly and you want to apply before they get expired, so subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the latest job updates quickly. Now let's proceed with the video. Let's move to first hiring. So the first posting is from Amazon and the role is of Software Development Engineer 1, Amazon University Talent Acquisition. So this is basically for 2026 graduates who are currently in their last year. So this is the job description. Please read this by pausing the video. This will be your key responsibilities. Now let's proceed with the basic qualifications. So you need bachelor's degree or above in computer science, computer engineering or related field. You need knowledge of computer science fundamentals such as object-oriented design, algorithm design, data structures, problem solving, and complexity analysis. So for a company like Amazon, the concepts such as data structures, algorithms, object-oriented programming, system design, operating systems are very necessary because in their interviews, there are separate rounds for data structures and algorithms and fundamentals. They test you on your fundamentals. So you should have strong fundamentals. Now let's move forward. You should have knowledge of programming languages such as C, C++, or Python, or Java, or Perl. So this was about the basic qualifications. They mention very less things, but they just test you on your data structures and algorithm skills and somewhat on object oriented programming skills. So now let's move forward with the preferred qualifications. So previous technical internships will add you a benefit. It is not mandatory, but if you have done one, this will be beneficial for you. And if you have experience with distributed multi-tiered systems, algorithms, and relational databases, as I have told before, this will be very beneficial for you. The next one, experience in optimization mathematics such as linear programming and non-linear optimization. So if you have this skills, this will also add you benefit. Also, you should effectively articulate technical challenges and solutions. Means your problem solving ability. You should adapt at handling ambiguous or undefined problems as well as ability to think abstractly. So this was about the preferred qualifications. These are not mandatory ones, but this will help you to stand out from other candidates. So this was about the Amazon hiring. I will provide you all the links in description so you can apply easily. Now let's move forward with the next one. So the next one is from JPMorgan Chase. The role mentioned here is data analytics and reporting analyst. Job location is Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. This is about the job ID, job category, business unit, locations, job schedule. This is the job description. In easy words, this is a data analyst job. Let's talk about required qualifications, capabilities, and skills. So, first of all, you need bachelor's degree or master's degree in a quantitative field, for example, computer science or engineering. The next one is you should have ability to write, understand SQL, PL or SQL, T or SQL, PostgreSQL or similar, Python, and data analysis. These are the mandatory and basic skills for a data analyst. Intellectually curious, eager to learn new things with an eye toward innovation. The next one is strategic, able to focus on business goals. Excellent at solving unstructured problems independently. Highly organized, able to prioritize multiple tasks. Strong communicators, able to build relationships with key stakeholders. problem solving mindset. So this was the basic qualifications that are required for this job. And also this is a very big MNC. So these extra skills are mandatory. Okay, now let's move forward to preferred qualifications, capabilities and skills. Intellectually curious, eager to learn new things with an eye towards innovation. So as I told before, this is a big MNC. Some extraordinary skills are required here. You should be strategic, able to focus on business goals, and also note that all these skills will also be tested in your interview. So prepare accordingly. You should be excellent at solving unstructured problems independently. You should be highly organized, able to prioritize multiple tasks. Strong communicators, able to build relationships with key stakeholders. And also problem solving mindset is required. So this was about the job. This is also recently posted. Please apply for this job postings fast because they get expired quickly. Now let's move forward with the next hiring. So the next hiring is from Deloitte. The role is data analytics analyst Hyderabad. So the job location is Hyderabad. Now let's move to position summary. So this is the position summary. You can read this. This will be your key responsibilities if you get selected in this role. This will be your additional responsibilities. This is about the Deloitte. You can read all this by pausing the video or by visiting the job posting. Now let's move to important thing, which is qualifications. So first qualification mentioned here is educational qualifications. You should have MCA, BTech or BSc computer science. So that means you should be from computer science background. And the technical skill set required here is you should have hands-on experience on Alteryx, should have knowledge on all tools in Alteryx. You should be well versed with data wrangling, ETL, and data cleansing concepts. You should have experience working on data analytics and visualization tools such as Tableau and Power BI. You should have knowledge of R or Python would be highly beneficial. Basic understanding of this statistical or analytical programming skills is necessary. This is much required in data analyst roles. You should be familiar with visual design and best practices of UI UX, reports and dashboards and scorecards. You should have understanding of agile software development practices and release of software products. You should have knowledge in statistics and machine learning would be highly beneficial for you if you know this. The candidate should have strong development mentality with a focus on measuring and metrics. So this was about the main technical qualifications that were required for this job. This is some more qualifications. You can read this by visiting the link or by pausing the video. I have told you the main requirements. Now let's move forward with the next hiring. So this hiring is from Citi. The role they mentioned is of data science analyst. The job location is Bengaluru. The job type is hybrid and this is the job ID. Please try to get referral by sharing this job ID with the Citi employees. Now let's move forward. So this is about the job. This will be your key responsibilities. Now let's move forward with the qualification. So first of all, educational qualifications. You need bachelor's or master's degree in a quantitative field such as computer science, statistics, mathematics, economics, engineering, or a related discipline. So you should be from computer science background or from a quantitative background such as statistics, economics, or related discipline. Now let's talk about the technical skills that are required. So in programming, foundational knowledge in Python, Pandas, NumPy, Scikit-learn, or R. So this is the most mandatory qualification for data analyst roles. So you should have strong knowledge of Python as well as Pandas. These are required for structuring data sets. This is required for cleaning values. And this is a machine learning library in Python. and R is widely used for analysis purposes. Now let's move forward with the next one. So database skills. You should know basic understanding of SQL for data extraction and manipulation. Statistical concepts. Solid understanding of basic statistical concepts. Example hypothesis testing, regression, etc. Now data visualization. Familiarity with data visualization tools or libraries, example Matplotlib, Seaborn, Tableau, or Power BI. So this is also libraries of Python which are widely used for plotting purposes and data analysis purposes. So you should know all this. These are also data visualization tools. Now let's move forward with the next one. So machine learning basics. Conceptual understanding of common machine learning algorithms, example linear regression, logistics regression, or decision trees. So if you only know theories of this can also work for you. Now some essential soft skills. This is the soft skills that are required here. You can read this by pausing the video or either visiting the link. We will talk about the main technical qualifications that are required here. Now let's move forward with the preferred qualifications that are optional but will add your benefit and will help you to stand out from other candidates. So if you have experience with version control systems, example Git, GitHub, this will be beneficial for you. Familiarity with cloud platforms, example AWS, Azure, or GCP, will be also beneficial. Experience with big data technologies, example Spark, Hadoop, etc., will also add your benefit. Participation in data science boot camps, online courses, or personal projects or Kaggle competitions will also beneficial for you. So you can show your data science experience through this. This is the good thing here, and this is what they offer. You can read this. This is more about the job. Please apply for this job posting fast because they get expired quickly. So this was about the jobs. Please apply in this job postings fast because they expired very quickly, and also subscribe our channel so that you can get the job updates instantly and you can apply in them before they get expired. I regularly post good job openings for you. Thank you.